Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open iMovie, create a movie, and import the footage you'll use. Once imported, drag your main clips onto the timeline to form the backbone of your edit. Make sure clips are labeled or grouped in the library so you don't lose time hunting. If a clip needs trimming immediately, select its edge and drag. This removes unwanted frames and speeds up later trimming. Once the base sequence is set, you're ready to refine timing and pacing. Now you refine. Split clips where action or dialogue changes and use the precision editor for exact framework. Once done, add B-roll as picture-in-picture or cutaway to cover jump cuts and reinforce visuals. Make sure to scale and position correctly. Then handle audio. Apply noise reduction, duck music under dialogue, and set levels around -6 to -12 dB for background music so speech stays clear. Also finish by adding final titles and a consistent color grade, then do a full playback to catch errors. Once satisfied, choose Share and Pick file or a direct platform. Select resolution 1080p or 4K, quality and compression settings, and export. If export fails, check free disk space, ensure source clips are compatible, or transcode problem files. Updating iMovie often fixes bugs. If audio or sync issues appear after export, recheck timeline gaps and render again. You'll wrap up with a polished file ready to share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.